this is Tony from her Homestead Skills, and today I'm just going to make a very simple dessert topping that can be used with just about any dessert, whether it's a cake or berries. In my case, I'm going to use it just to top strawberries. Simplest dessert I could possibly make. You can certainly use mixed berries or cupcakes, just about anything you want for dessert. So I'm just going to whip up some homemade whipped topping, and all it takes is a few minutes and 3 ingredients. So here we go. And I'm starting off with a half pint of 35% heavy cream, whipping cream. Now you could use a larger quantity. Once again, I don't need the larger quantity, so I'm starting off with the small quantity. I have put my mixing bowl and the mixer into the freezer for a few minutes just to get everything chilled down nice, as well as the cream. It just went into the freezer for, and they've only been in there for what, 10 minutes or so, but it's just to get everything chilled down. Okay, so a half pint of whipping cream, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/4 cup of icing sugar. And that's all it takes. Now, apparently I can't get this measuring into that jar, so I'm going to just scoop it in until I get a 1/4 cup. Okay, that should do it. And we just mix this up until it becomes whipping cream. And that looks just about ready to me, so I'm just going to do a quick taste. And check for the texture. Oh yes. Perfect. Oh, that is nice. Okay, now I'm just going to scoop that out into one of these containers. Okay. Just barely fits in there. Okay. Now this will be refrigerated until it is time to have strawberries and whipped cream. Could have had a slightly larger container, but I'm sure this won't last long anyway. There we go. That's how easy it is to make your own whipped cream.